When your Logik TV remote stops working, start with these three basic troubleshooting steps that solve most remote problems. Step 1. Check the batteries. This is the most common cause of remote failure. Dead or incorrectly installed batteries account for the majority of remote issues. Open the battery compartment, usually located on the back of your remote. Check that batteries are inserted with correct polarity. Positive and negative ends must match the markings inside the compartment. Always replace both batteries at the same time with fresh ones. Most Logik remotes use AAA batteries, though some models require a CR2025 lithium battery. Step 2. Remove obstructions. Your remote uses infrared signals to communicate with the TV. Any object blocking the path between remote and TV will prevent it from working. Ensure nothing is blocking the infrared sensor on your TV. Remove any objects, decorations, or furniture that might interfere with the signal path. Step 3. Power cycle both devices. This resets the electronic components and clears any temporary glitches that might be causing communication problems. For the TV, unplug it from the power outlet, wait a few minutes, then plug it back in. This allows the TV's internal systems to fully reset. For the remote, remove the batteries, press and hold the power button for 1 minute to discharge residual electricity, then reinsert the batteries. These three basic steps resolve remote issues in 60 to 70% of cases. If your remote still isn't working after trying these solutions, you may need more advanced troubleshooting. If basic troubleshooting didn't work, we need to test if your remote is actually sending signals. The easiest way is using your smartphone camera. Point your remote at your phone's camera lens and press any button. If the remote is working, you'll see a faint purple or white glow on your phone screen. If you don't see any glow, your remote isn't sending signals and likely needs new batteries or replacement. If you do see the glow, the issue is with the TV's receiver. If you have a smart remote, it may need to be paired with your TV again. This is especially common after power outages or TV updates. The most common pairing method is to press and hold the return and play pause buttons simultaneously for about 5 seconds. You should see a pairing message on your TV screen. Different TV brands may use different button combinations. Check your TV manual or look online for your specific model's pairing instructions. As a last resort, you can try restoring your TV to factory default settings. This will erase all your settings and preferences, so only do this if nothing else works. Access your TV's settings menu using the buttons on the TV itself. Look for System, General, or Reset options. The exact path varies by brand and model. Warning: this will erase all your settings, installed apps, and preferences. You'll need to set everything up again from scratch. If all troubleshooting fails, it's time to get a replacement remote. You have several options available online. You can buy genuine replacement remotes from the manufacturer, or choose compatible universal remotes that work with multiple TV brands. Both options are readily available from online retailers. Universal remotes are often the most cost-effective option and can control multiple devices. Make sure to check compatibility with your specific TV model before purchasing.